Good morning, student. How are you? Please take your notebook and open your pen. This is unit number 2, activity number 6. Filling the blanks with the appropriate verb. Look, already verb is given in brackets. You have to answer in its appropriate form. Number 1. The streets of the city are being, verb is wide, so what will come? Widened. The street of the city are being widened. Write down in your notebook too, okay? Due to this, I am just speaking slowly, so you can write down in your notebook. Number 2. Do not speak so loudly. Dash your turn. So what will come? Do not speak so loudly. Soften your tone. Number 3. They couldn't dash. He was blind for years. In bracket, belief. So what will come? They could not believe he was blind for years. कोई मान नहीं रहा था कि ये 1 साल से ब्लाइंड हो गया है, उसको आँख से दिखता नहीं है. Number 4. Nobody dares Joseph's death as much as Pierre's. Nobody grieved Joseph's death as much as Pierre. Number 5. Joseph's death dash Pierre's life forever. यानी जोसेफ की मृत्यु से पियरी की लाइफ पूरी ब्लैक हो गई, अंधकार छा गया उसकी ज़िंदगी में, ऐसा सेंस है. जोसेफ्स डेथ darkened Pierre's life forever. Joseph's death darkened Pierre's life forever. Number 6. Jacques dash Pierre to take a day off. जेकस ने क्या सलाह दी थी, ऐसा उसका मतलब होता है. जेकस एडवाइज्ड पियरी टू टेक अ डे ऑफ. Number 7. Everyone sympathized the old man's death. Everyone dash the old man's death. Everyone sympathized the old man's death. सिंपथी का सिंपथाइज्ड हो गया. नंबर 8, this story खाली जगह love between animal and man. This story symbolize love between animal and man. Number 9, Joseph's death appears horrible. तो क्या आएगा? Joseph's death horrified Pierre. Joseph's death horrified Pierre. Number 10, the warning yell of the truck driver dazed the old man. The warning of the yell of the truck driver terrified the old man. क्या आएगा? Terrified आएगा, बराबर ना? Now activity number 7. Pick out the appropriate expression for the underlined words or phrase in the following statement. Number 1, the horseman was run over by truck. The truck driver said, A, I was unable to save him. B, I regret I have killed him. C, I believe I was not in the wrong. तो 3 में से कौन सा आंसर आएगा? What will come? A या B या C? What will come? So answer will I was unable to save him. बराबर ना? I was unable to save him. Number 2, Pierre used to say that he didn't need reins. Reins का मतलब क्या? REINS, जो लगाम होती है ना, घोड़े के लिए लगाम होती है ना, उसको रेंस बोलते हैं. Pierre used to say that he didn't need reins. कौन क्या आएगा didn't need reins के लिए? तो the horse required no control, कि the horse could do without reins. The horse went out of his control. तो उसका आंसर ये आ सकता है बी में, the horse could do without reins. Number 3, maybe you have got the gout. 1, यानी A, he was sure that Pierre suffered from gout. B, he thought Pierre suffered from gout. Third, he thought Pierre might develop gout in future. So what will come? B आएगा. He thought Pierre suffered from gout. 4 number. His salary will go on just the same. his salary will go on just same. Just the same means usual. तो रेज तो आएगा नहीं, रिड्यूस यानी कम करना ये भी नहीं आएगा. सो व्हाट विल कम? ए है ही सैलरी विल बी कंटिन्यू एज यूजल, कि हिज सैलरी विल बी रेज्ड, हिज सैलरी विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. तो रिड्यूस यानी कम करना भी नहीं होगा, तो ये आएगा हिज सैलरी विल कंटिन्यू एज यूजल. नंबर 5, he saw something which startled him. He saw something which startled him. इसमें आंसर आ सकता है सरप्राइज्ड. बराबर ना? ही सो समथिंग विच सरप्राइज्ड हिम. वरीड हिम भी नहीं आएगा, सैडेंडेड भी नहीं आएगा, लेकिन सरप्राइज ये आएगा. ही सो समथिंग विच सरप्राइज्ड हिम. सो दिस आर द एक्टिविटी नंबर 7. स्टिल यू जस्ट write down all this in your notebook, homework in notebook. Write 5 times so you can remember. Okay, bye, see you.